Hello everybody, new feature to Unreal 5.2. So if you look here, we have level sequence. So we have nice animation like that, simple animation. So for example, in this area, maybe you want to add sound effect here. And we need to add here explode. And maybe we have here something like bird. So after you finish your project, maybe you need to add marker to say here we want to add explode here. And so the best way to do that, right click, add marker. So here we can, for example, sound effect. So here explode, add marker. After that, here we need to add a Niagara simulation here, for example. So you can add your marker to if you have a huge project. Sometimes we forget. If you have notes, maybe. So here, maybe you can write label, right click, label, explode. Okay, explode. Sound effect, for example. Here we want to add, for example, explode. So in this area, we need to add Niagara simulation. With this feature, you can change marker color, for example, here, and you can add sometime maybe you can change another. Okay, so you can delete any marker as you like. For example, right click and so okay, right click, delete marker. If you have, for example, 20 marker or something like that, so just right click and delete all marker. So your project is now after finished. Nice feature. Thanks for Epic Games. If you want to learn more about Unreal Engine, this is my channel. You can make subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Salam alaikum.